If you're trying to break into medical sales or you're already in the field and you want to perform at a higher level, you're in the right place. Hey, I'm Mace Haroff. I've spent over 40 years in the world of medical sales, selling, managing, training, and coaching thousands of reps and candidates across the country. This channel exists for two kinds of people. If you're trying to get in, you're going to learn exactly what hiring managers are looking for, why qualified candidates get passed over, and what it actually takes to get hired and hit the ground running on day one. If you're already in the field, you're going to learn how to get more access, have better conversations with HCPs, grow your territory, and build a career that lasts. New videos every week. Real strategies, no fluff. And if you're just starting out and trying to break in, I have a free resource that will help you in a big way. It's called the Unignorable Hiring Score. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and it scores you across the 6 categories hiring managers actually evaluate, and it shows you exactly where to focus so you stop getting overlooked. It's free. Go to medicalsalesacademy.com. That's medicalsalesacademy.com to get it. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.